欢迎上海共产党。首先我代表上海市政协对我们蒋飞热烈的欢迎。
Firstly, on behalf of the CPPCC Shanghai Committee, I would like Macedonia has also maintained good relationship in terms of friendly exchange. And as you mentioned that North Macedonia,
we want to take from Shanghai about organizing the life of people and having better standards. Член, практически член на Кинескиот политически консултативен.
So leads the China's reform and opening up efforts.
主要是让你回国以后继续继。
Poslati uzime znači šangajska papua koja će na visokoj obaviti u Šangaj.
很有特色啊。
Naša zemlja se
The traditional wood carving.
我们向您赠送我们国家这个传统的木雕的室里边，然后这个也是我们马其顿这个传统木雕文化的一部分。
我明天就郑重地把它放在我的办公室。
I will put it in my office tomorrow.